Hi there, my name is Sani from Midtronics and welcome to this unboxing video of the CPX-900 battery tester. In this video I'll give a quick overview of what you can expect outside of the box. We have several versions of the CPX, but this is just the most standard version that we offer. Let's start opening the box. Always open up the box carefully. We usually pad it up pretty nicely, but in transportation things might shuffle around, so just be careful opening it. Inside the box you will always find a safety measurement guide and a quick guide to how you find our manuals. You can either do it by a QR code, or we also have a USB on here, a USB stick, where you can find the manuals on here. They come in several languages, so find the language that you are looking for and go through the manual before going to any of our products. This is not a version with a printer, but if that is the case, if you have a printed version, we always provide you with 3 extra printing rolls. Now let's get to the CPX itself. Right off the bat, it has a very sturdy, compact feeling to it. It feels like a strong quality product. It's not that heavy, it's like under 2 kgs, but I kind of like this design. It feels like it's not going to break easily, which is, in my personal opinion, like a nice feel to it.
This CPX is one of our own versions with our own logo, but in constellation with us, we are able to customize the faceplate with your logo and colors on it.
You also have 2 options regarding the cable. This one is a 10 feet cable, which is about 3 meters. And you have also an option for a 4 feet cable, which is about 1.2 meters.
The CPX comes with 6 AA batteries, which are already placed inside the CPX. Keep in mind that they are not rechargeable.
On the back, not in this case, you will always find a part number and the date it was built. So if you need to send it for service, there you can find the information. As an additional accessory, we can also provide you with a docking station.
The docking station provides the CPX power to enable the device to update via Wi-Fi overnight. Keep in mind, the dock does not recharge the internal batteries, but is used for storing the device and enable hands-free updates. As mentioned before, there are several versions of the CPX. Right now I have the CPX-900L, which means I have a 10 foot aka 3 meter cable. You also have the CPX with a 4 foot cable, which is like 1.2 meters, a CPX-900 with a printer, a CPX-900 printer with a larger cable. You have a CPX with a bar, which means there's a barcode scanner in it, so you can easily scan the batteries you need to test. You have a bar with a printer and the large version of them with the longer cable. So there are many options you can choose from.
This concludes the video of the CPX-900 battery tester. If you want a more in-depth view and how the tool works, visit the video up here. If you have more additional questions, visit our website where you can find more information about the CPX-900. For now, we thank you for watching and we hope to see you next week.
Midtronics. We will get you there. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with everything we do. We hope to see you next week.